In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Hostinger. If you want to make future purchases faster and keep your billing setup organized, adding a payment method to your Hostinger account is a simple and useful step. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go and what to look for so you can complete the process smoothly. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your settings and account options are easy to access. This is where you'll be able to manage your billing information and payment preferences. Next, click on your profile. This is usually found in the upper section of the dashboard, and it gives you access to account-related settings. If you're not sure where it is at first glance, just look for the area associated with your account menu. Once you open it, you'll see several options related to your account management. From there, click on Billing. This section is where Hostinger stores information related to payments, invoices, and billing preferences. It's the part of the platform you'll use whenever you need to update how you pay for services or review your payment activity. Opening the Billing section will take you closer to the option you need. Now, click on Payment Method. This area is specifically designed for managing the ways you pay for your Hostinger services. If you already have a method saved, you may see it listed here. If not, this is where you can add one for the first time. After that, click Add Payment Method. Once you select this option, Hostinger will prompt you to choose the payment method you prefer. Go ahead and select the one that works best for you, then enter your payment details carefully. Make sure everything is typed correctly before confirming, since even small mistakes can cause issues with saving the method or processing future payments. As you enter your information, be sure to review each field before submitting. It's always a good idea to double-check for accuracy, especially when entering billing details. This can help avoid delays later if you make purchases, renew hosting, or manage subscriptions through your account. And that's it. Once your payment details are entered and saved, your new payment method should be added to your Hostinger account. You can return to this same section anytime if you want to update, replace, or review your saved payment options.